We're off to the boat. They're pulling it in now.
So cool.
Howdy, Pilgrim.
Howdy.
Or maybe that's the wrong hat. It smells like.
Can you pass my water bottle?
Good day, mate.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Here we on the Nile River, looking for that bloody croc.
No, we're not looking for no crocodiles.
We on his part of
Alligators.
Okay.
Nothing like that. Okay. This is my girl B. Hey. How y'all's doing? We's boat riding today. Mm-hmm.
Oh, hit me with them, family.
Have a good day.
Oh, this is so
Hey, they just
cool.
opened up
You know, what's up?
Tell them your name.
You hear?
My name is Pete.
All right. What you doing,
Don't
Pete?
you forget it.
What are you doing right now?
I am enjoying life.
That's it.
Ain't nothing like it.
That's
you
right.
know? We just got a new boat. You know what I'm saying? We just bought this boat.
And he got a white, and he got a white captain.
A white captain.
A white captain.
He makes me wash the boat. And I gotta
Yo, my boat driver here. We got
You are
a
serious.
driver. We just picked up some new friends here off the dock. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
We found a Mexican. I'm joking.
We talking.
Look at that gazebo. The grill on it.
Little kayaks. They even built a rack for their kayaks. All right, guys. Woo! The dinosaur.
So in love with you. Whatever you want to do. It's alright. It's a dinosaur. It doesn't run truck.
Is this like a honey?
Yeah. Check you motherfuckers out. Yeah. Yeah.
Sure, got it. I don't know if it was out here or not, but it was some shit like this.
Oh, these all over the place.
People just jump in here and swim. You don't need a pool. They come out here and pool.
Babe, can we buy that? Let's see if it's for sale. Would that be okay?
I tried to guess. We could do that. Definitely. I tried to find one like that that I knew before. I love that.
Look at the dolphin. Look at the dolphin. Dolphin's right there.
I just saw a dolphin.
Right there.
You see it?
I saw when he popped up. There he goes.
There he is. You see the dolphin?
Hey, what's up? What's up?
You know what it is doing with me?
Living
Obama
our best. Guess what?
Well, dude, no president. I think that
We ain't going back and forth with y'all.
No, we're not.
Because he
We was out here
he was trying to
on
bring
a
back
Saturday with our friends and just enjoying the day. It's Florida, Orlando area, and it's about 80-ish today. But there's a nice breeze on the water, and it feels so amazing.
Yes, it does.
Good conversation, good friends. I have my little non-alcoholic beer.
I got my Not Your Father's root beer.
Not your father's. Have you heard of that? I haven't heard of it.
No matter who.
Beautiful out here.
No matter who you
It's only for the special, not your father.
That was wrong.
It's only for certain people,
Nobody else.
certain group.
I know.
Okay.
Living life with Suzy group.
That's right. Subscribe, y'all. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
Leave a comment.
Hey, leave a comment. Oh. Hey. Smokers! Hi! Little restaurant over there. Look at that. Hey! This is nice.
This is salt water.
In New York, the water's like this. Whiskey River.
What you talking about, Willis?
I'm gonna let you know
What you
now.
talking about?
When you take pictures with my family, you get
That's not a real dog, is it?
I think glasses.
You know my baby can't see.
Like a fox. I'll be sure and Rico Suave.
I think he missed his calling.
video.
Go pee. Go pee.
Yeah.
Go pee. Go pee. Go pee.
The silent rapper right there, rapping the mic like he don't care. Just swinging that microphone and the phone, doing all the stuff all alone. Big L, what you got on the boat? Do your thing without clearing your throat.
Look how beautiful. Hi. Gorgeous day out today. It is very cool. Yes,
Get the beat down with the sun.
Yo, alright, yo, niggas not
You was gonna put the pieces
I don't
to the
speed
puzzle.
no way,
Yep.
nigga. Let's crack the shit open.
You was gonna put the pieces to the puzzle together.
I gotta get my speed for this shit.
Yeah.
I wave at everybody that passes. Oh, look at them, they're waving too. We went on that one. The big old houses, guys. They're so big. Right on the water. How pretty is that? You got to send it to my phone, that one. Hold on. Yeah. All right. Oh, my goodness. Oh! Woo, y'all. It's almost high tide. Oh, goodness. We're in Port Richey, y'all. Oh, my goodness. Woo! Oh, you had me. I'm trying to hold my hat on. Oh, wow. Woo! Woo! Oh! 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 Uh-uh! Oh my goodness! Oh, can't be seasick on this stuff. Oh my God! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my goodness! The boat is up in the air. This ain't it. Oh Lord, he said this ain't it. Oh, mosquito. Get that mosquito. That didn't look like a love. Just got it.
Serious, you threw the whole damn thing in? Yeah.
You get ready to go jump in? Oh, Lord.
Look, he's standing up. He's standing up.
Oh, is he?
You gotta go help my boy. Hold my hand. You gotta help my boy.
The rescue him, yo.
You gotta rescue my boy.
You got the dolphin or whale coming at his ass right there. What the
Wait a
fuck
minute,
is that over there?
whale?
Right there, coming at us.
All right. Oh, wow.
It don't matter.
He done took his shirt off.
Alright, go help him out, man. Before he draw low, he under, yo. Go in there, yo. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna see him. I'm not gonna see you up.
What was he looking for? What are we looking for?
Get the boat so the boat stays straight.
Got you.
Let me show you how it's done.
Look at Josh! Look at Josh! Josh! Josh is coming! Look, you can see the bottom, the floor. Y'all see? You see that? That's the ground.
Come out here in the summertime, and it gets shallow.
That's what they're standing on.
But
the
like
ground.
right now, this is just
A bass or what's it?
Nah, a red snapper.
Snap?
Yeah, we want a snapper for dinner tonight, babe. All right. Can you catch bass out here?
No.
No bass out here?
Salt.
Oh, saltwater.
What's that one that we
Just catch whatever.
Bro, I'm going back, man.
It is pretty shallow.
Yeah. All right, it's snorkeling. It's cold. They're feeding the fish with chicken bones.
Get the ball.
Oh, wow.
That is crazy over there, man.
Is it cold, Erica?
Nah, it's lovely.
It's cold. It's no joke. Got it. Oh no, 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 no.
Yo, if you catch any kind of little lobsters, yo, little crayfish,
He's snorkeling. Look at him. He's having the time of his life. Hey, babe.
what's up, beautiful?
I don't hide shit from you.
You chilling?
Chilling like a villain.
What you drinking?
Not your father.
Not your father's.
Definitely not your father.
Sure ain't my father's.
That's a commercial moment right there. I wish you could come out here and sit with me.
I know you do.
Come on, man.
Man,
Come in close to me.
I know. I don't feel like getting wet.
Like getting wet. Hate you.
Whatever.
I'm going with some chicken parmesan, some salmon, grilled salmon, and all the soup you can eat.
You're on video.
Oh, Lord.
Watch your mouth. So watch your tone and watch your mouth.
That's what we want.
Look at that steaming.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
It was a good call because it cuts our little.
Yeah.
Two
So
of the things.
we soak our silverware for a little extra cleanliness. Yeah, I'll make them ass. Yeah, put mine in there, please.
Maybe give it way down.
Can we get a little,
You don't have to
with this?
Yeah, man. No, I got you. I got you.
Thank you. Put that on the side.
I'm hold until you come back.
You're gonna hold it the whole time, huh?
Just getting clean.
You have to hold it.
Because it's needs to be taller.
I know. Oh my
It needs to be taller, that's what it is. It's all right, we're
We're
good.
getting us something. We're getting us something.
That shit is hot as hell though. That I can feel it all the way to the top, right?
You got butter on your fingers?
Excuse me, that
Huh?
hot as heck.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we drop it all in one. We drop it all in one.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
That's how.
You guys probably want them, and I'll grab some breadsticks for you. Though, get you rolling.
Okay, cool.
So we know. Don't put it in
You
there.
guys want to throw in order? What are we doing?
I want the soup and salad.
Okay. What kind of soup for you?
I can't think of how you pronounce it, but it's the kale and potato.
Zuppa.
The zuppa.
You get fun words.
The
to say,
zuppa.
you know?
The zuppa.
Me, I'm gonna go for you got like a regular baked ziti.
Yeah, the 5 cheese ziti. Let's see, it's right here.
Okay, so what I would like, right? I would like the ziti, like a regular ziti. But I want a chicken parm. You know what I mean? The chicken, but like the chicken parm because instead of the chicken with the ready spaghetti noodles, I want the ziti.
Okay, so you want chicken parm, but you want, instead of spaghetti, you want ziti.
Right.
Okay, yeah, you still like the red sauce and everything, the marinara?
I like it the same way that right
Cool.
there comes.
Kick to it, a little zesty.
Okay, so
Into it.
potatoes and kale and sausage soup. This is called the zuppa.
Yo, Mike, just hold up on the when you make for Thanksgiving, hold up on the lasagna because the lasagna's already made.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm putting the menu together first. Then I'll know who. So many people. You know what I'm saying?
How is it, baby?
We just see this menu thing.
Delicious. Nice and hot.
And what's that called again?
Chicken noodle.
Chicken and dumplings.
Chicken and dumplings. What's the technical name? What you got, P?
Chicken and dumpling.
Good nosh? No.
Oh, chicken and dumplings.
A lunch or something.
They got green stuff in yours.
I don't
Kale.
understand. I don't
They
understand.
don't like no chicken and dumpling, dog.
There's kale.
It's kale.
You have the same thing I have?
No, I just
They got dumplings in there
I
though.
want chicken soup. She ordered 2 chicken soups. She got kale in hers.